Welcome everyone. I'm Jeff Rattiner. I'm a CPA and a CFP, also an RFC and an MBA. I specialize on working on clients' tax returns and have done so for more than 25 years. My goal is simple. It's to help you legitimately pay less income tax liability than you're accustomed to paying. Now, we don't have any magic wands, we don't have any crystal balls, but what we do have is the ability to make sure you're taking advantage of everything that you should. Making sure you maximize your deductions, making sure you maximize your credits, making sure you do everything that you're legally entitled to do. That's our goal. But here's something that helps us differentiate us even more so than the average professional. We like to meet with our clients in advance. We'll meet with our clients in the fourth quarter, either in person, by email, by conference call, by WebEx, or anything else like that, to make sure you're doing everything you can, so this way you can make the necessary changes if need be, and go out and help minimize your taxes. Because here's what happens otherwise. The client goes and visits the CPA sometime in February or March after the year is already closed, and what happens? They complain about their tax liability, that they're paying too much. But you know what? You can't do anything at that point because the prior year has already closed. That's not going to help you minimize your tax situation. So what we do is we make sure we give you pointers at tax time to follow for the rest of the year. We then go ahead and meet with you in the fourth quarter to make sure that those things are still current, and if they're not, what adjustments we can make to make sure that you're minimizing your tax liability. It's really that simple. Our goal and our philosophy is this. If you are a client of the JR Financial Group, you are a client. And what that means is not only will we do your tax return, but we'll also provide you with free tax advice, yes, free tax advice throughout the year to make sure you're on track. Because what we've learned in 25 years of doing business, it's easier to make sure you stay on track than to wait until the year end and say, oh wow, I should have done something differently. Now, all our new clients that come aboard, the first thing we do is we look at your last 3 years of tax returns. We want to make sure they were done properly. If they weren't and we find errors or other issues or other things that could have been done, we'll let you know about it and we'll figure out how to handle it from there. We want to make sure that we cover all the bases, sort of like one-stop shopping. When you come to the JR Financial Group, your taxes will be done right. They'll be done with the conviction of making sure that you're paying as little tax as possible. Well, how do you start? Well, you can visit our website, and on our tax services folder, we have a tax information form. Fill that out. Then come in to meet with us, and we'll tell you what we can do for you. We'll tell you how we can help you. After all, taxes is one of those necessary evils. You need to plan in advance before it's too late. Our goal is to make sure we do tax returns regardless of size. No tax return is too small for us. So you do it right, you do it well, and you're able to plan for the future. We look forward to seeing you very shortly. JR family of companies has offices in the Denver and Phoenix metropolitan areas. In fact, we have clients all over the country, and we're going to work in accordance with what you're comfortable with. You can FedEx your information to us, we can do it through a webcast, we can do it through the internet, or you can just flat out mail it to us because we're still old school. But we do things right. And we look forward to working with you going forward.